Hi, this is Bhupender Tube. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to share files on network. It's really easy. I made another video a while back in back end of 2016, and at that time I shown how to do it using your home group. But now Microsoft has removed the home group from its latest update of Windows 10. So now I'm gonna show you without the home group how to share files and folders on Windows 10. So let's get started. Go to your start and type in network. Network status comes and select this. Here we see a place called sharing options. Select that. In the sharing option we have a lot of things that we can do. First we have here private profile, turn on network discovery. You make sure that this is turned on. It's important. Otherwise your computer would not be discoverable and other computers on the network would not be able to find it. Also make sure your file and printer sharing is on if you want to share printer and stuff like that. And for the guest or public, you can leave them off. It is a security thing. You don't want people to access your shared files on a public network. And then lastly, it's all networks. So leave everything here as it is. We also have file sharing connection. There is 128-bit encryption that Microsoft Windows uses for sharing files to make it more secure. You can also have it password protected. And the main place that we can see what's shared and what's not, it's in here, media streaming. So if you choose a media streaming options, you have to come here. When you come here, make sure you turn on media streaming. And here you can see a couple of mediums that are discoverable on the network, and that's on your local network. If you go to all networks, you would be able to see many more computers that are sharing stuff around. You can here customize, remove, or block any computer or any device that is sharing on the network. Click on OK. So we can close this. We can close this. So in our computer, we can share even the whole drive. We can share anything. Then we can go to any folder on our computer. There you right click on that folder and then you click on give access to. Here don't bother with the home group. It's been removed for a while in the latest Windows 10 update. So all you need to go is to go and click on specific people. In here there is a drop down, select that. You can choose to add a new user or you can select everyone on the network. So select everyone and then click on add. Here by default the permission is read only, but you can change the permission to read and write, but I leave it for now as a read only so that the person would not be able to change anything in that shared folder. Once you're happy, just click on share. A path is being created. You can click on here to copy the path, then click on done. If you go inside the folder, I left the folder empty, but if you want you can just add anything there. And if you want to see what things you have shared, in the left hand side of your Windows Explorer, click on network, and here you can see which computers are turned on. The computers should be turned on for it to be able to access the files that are shared. This is the computer that I just used to share stuffs. If you double click, you can see here to share test is on and it shows as green. That means as if it's been shared around. Now I'm gonna go to my laptop and I try to access the same file from the laptop and see if I can access it. This is now my laptop. First we need to open the Windows Explorer. For that press Windows and E. Now we need to click on network. If you see such error, just click on OK. make sure your internet is on and you're connected to the network, and then click here and then click on connect to a network as well. If that didn't work, click again here and click on open network and sharing center, and here click on sharing options, and you can see network discovery is turned off. You need to turn this on, and if you want to share files and printer, you need to turn it on as well, and then click on save changes. Now if we go back to our Windows Explorer and we click on the network again, you can see things start to appear. This is the computer that we shared a folder from. If you double click on it, you can see the folder which we called to share the test. If you double click on it, once we open this, if you go to this address bar and press Ctrl C, we select this directory, and then we go to this PC, and then we go and click on map network drive. If you press now Ctrl V, now we would be able to map it to a drive called Y, and then click on finish. Now if I go to my PC, you can see folder that we shared has now got a drive, and it's easier now to access it. You can just keep adding stuff here as long as you want. And if I click on this, you can directly enter to the folder and see what you have shared. You can share as many things as you want. I think Windows had a great improvement in helping to share files and folders between different computers on the network. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.